I feel so blessed to have received this package from Sweetie Nail Supply today. Thank you so much. I can't wait to dive in. You all know I love me some Aurora Queen. I'm hoping for some unearthly or otherworldly vibes from this one because it's my favorite spooky time of year. Let's see if this Aurora Queen set fits the bill. I can't wait to get into this. This collection is now combining a couple of my favorite things, and that is Aurora Queen and cat eyes. So let's see what this collection is all about. And I think it's also purples, which again, a favorite thing is purples. So let's see. This packaging is super lush, super beautiful. So we've got this beautiful color card. And then of course, you're gonna be putting your own color swatches up above. That's super cool. And we've got an 8-piece collection. Aurora Queen bottles are 9 mils. And it is a very purpley, blue, beautiful looking collection. So of course, as usual, I've got some swatch sticks here ready to go. And we're gonna swatch this out and see what it looks like. 257 is Moon Veil, like a diamond, glittery. Look. Oh, and there's some flecks in there, like some blue and purple shards, it looks like. And it's such a super pretty light purple. I'm just gonna pull out the magnet here. You see you've got this really lovely light purple jelly with really iridescent purple and blue shards that have like a flash glitter effect. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the first layer. Really has one of those diamond shine leaf effects that I've loved so much in some of my other collections. Now let's see how this magnetizes. So this one is a super kind of flash glitter magnet. So it's not smooth like some are, just because of the type of particle that's in it. And because of all the glitter effect, I feel like it's not as densely packed magnet as you might find with like a pure magnet collection, just because it's got to compete with all those glitter particles as well. So you can see how you don't get that super stark contrast that you do with some magnetic polishes, but that's only because we're working with all kinds of glitters and such too. Super pretty though. Oh my goodness. $2.58, we have Stardust. Here is a much deeper purple, but still with that same style of like platinum diamond leaf gel glitter effect. When we remove the magnet, we've got a beautiful syrup jelly, again with those iridescent flakes of like blue and purple that have such a cool duochrome shift there. Again, a very glittery magnet effect because of the type of particles. $2.59 is Horizon. This is leaving the really glittery shard effect and moving into a very smooth cat eye, very syrupy smooth cat eye. This has a very blue tint to it. Still purpley, but very blue tint. When we remove the cat eye, ooh, it shifts to a really cool red tone, like a purple red, magenta. It's magenta with like a purpley blue shifting magnet. So pretty, that one. Now with this second coat, oh yeah, that color is really nice and deep. That's what I was hoping for. Look at that cool red undertone. When you put it over black, oof. brings it out so much. That burgundy undertone. 260 is Celestial. Similar formula to Horizon. It's got this purpley blue kind of base. And then that beautiful fiery red tinted shift in there. Look at that color. So pretty. And again, we've got our purple blue magnetic. Ooh, it's like a fiery red. Red with gold. $261 is Nebula. This is a super deep purple with lots of pretty fine reflective shifting glitter. And your magnet particles are really pretty purple. So when you pull the magnet out, you've got a really deep violety purple with some pretty glitter shift in there. Very twilight. It's quite a difference between the cured syrup color and the fresh coat going over top with all that magnet particle in it. Such a pretty dark purple. $262 is Comet. This is heading into a much brighter, like pinky red type of purple. And it's showing up a lot darker purple on camera than it is kind of in person. In person, it's quite a bit brighter and more red toned, pinky red toned. Let's see what our magnet pull does. Oh, reveals a dark purple jelly. So that's looking a little truer to life on camera. Now, I don't know if I may have been doing some of these a disservice by double coating them, just because some of them are so dark underneath in the jelly that it might make it harder to see that magnetic difference. But I'm not sure. I do like to double coat, double layer my polishes, even most of my magnetic ones, depending on the style. These are going to be doing some incredible celestial designs. $263 is Amethyst, and we're going back into some of that smoother magnetic style. No chunky glitters. This one is just that syrupy pearlescent look with some color shifting. This is a really lovely, like a medium purple, medium grapey purple syrup. And it's a flat purple. There's no shifts or anything in there right now. We'll see what happens on the next layer. Oh, so there's no shift in this one, like no color shift. It's got a beautiful magnet shift, but it's just a lighter purpley white magnet, as opposed to having like different glitter colors and all of those kinds of shifts in it. Oh, that's pretty. This is so deep and beautiful. $264 is Nova. This is a burgundy leaning purple. Super pretty. And again, just that really fine, seamless magnet. Nothing extra in this one, except beautiful shimmer. That's a lovely, deep burgundy purple syrup. It looks like there's a misprint on the color card. They've labeled this one as 254, just on the color card though. It's 264 on the bottle. That magnetic shine is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. And again, we've got that same kind of color magnetic in there as the polish. Just a much lighter version. Just creates such a cool highlight. There you have it. This collection is just stunning, you guys. These have all been top coated. Of course, we've got matte at the base and glossy to the tip. And these purples are just to die for. They did such a good job of like really giving this such a celestial vibe. And I could see these all pairing up so beautifully to do stuff. I can't wait to start playing with them. This one is especially doing it for me. And I really like these glitters. The cat eye effect isn't nearly as noticeable on the glitters, but the glitters are so pretty. And that extra pop of the cat eye just, mwah, it is just beautiful. I've always been excited to see if Aurora Queen would do magnetic added to their really cool glitter effects. I think they kind of nailed it with these two. This one here is really cool too, with all the different shifts in it. I feel like this is another big winner for Aurora Queen, and it'll be really exciting to see what I can come up with. Drop a comment, let me know. Are you going to be picking these ones up? Are you as much of a Aurora Queen fan as I am? I'd love to see what you guys end up doing with them. I think they'll be really great for this Halloween season. Nothing says Halloween prettier than some really incredible purples. It's just all that witching hour. Thank you again, Sweetie Nail Supply, for providing me with these absolutely exquisite polishes. I'm so excited to add this set to my collection. If you're loving these polishes and you'd like to see the set of nails I made using them, check out this next video. They turned out incredible. Thanks again, guys. And as always, of course, until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye.